Discovering the Spinal Force benefits is like opening a door to a new life free from back and joint pain. Imagine being able to move, sleep, and go through your day without the nagging pain that has held you back. The Spinal Force benefits work at the root cause of pain, targeting neuroinflammation, a factor often ignored by conventional treatments. While many medications focus on temporary relief, Spinal Force benefits are designed to provide a long-lasting, natural solution. The power of Spinal Force benefits comes from its unique blend of natural ingredients, carefully chosen for their anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. Corydalus lutea, a plant used in traditional Chinese medicine, plays a major role by delivering pain relief without the risk of addiction. Many who have experienced the Spinal Force benefits say that it's the first solution that actually tackled their pain in a sustainable way. Another key element, marshmallow root, is known for soothing neural pain, a crucial component in the Spinal Force benefits for those with nerve-related discomfort. One of the standout Spinal Force benefits is its ability to improve overall mobility. As you incorporate Spinal Force benefits into your daily routine, you'll find yourself able to move with ease, free from the stiffness and discomfort that can weigh you down. This is especially meaningful for people who once struggled with basic activities like bending, stretching, or even walking short distances. The Spinal Force benefits bring back this flexibility by targeting inflammation at its source and promoting a holistic healing process. Aside from directly combating pain, Spinal Force benefits also include a boost to mental well-being. Pain is exhausting and can lead to stress, anxiety, and even depression. By addressing pain at the neurological level, Spinal Force benefits can also reduce the psychological toll of chronic pain, leaving you feeling more optimistic, energized, and resilient. People who use Spinal Force benefits often report better sleep, increased energy, and a general uplift in mood, as the constant strain of pain is removed from their lives. The creators of Spinal Force benefits were motivated by a genuine desire to offer an alternative to risky and expensive medical treatments. Opioids and other prescription medications may offer temporary relief, but they can bring severe side effects, dependency issues, and, in the long run, additional health complications. With Spinal Force benefits, you have a product that is natural, non-GMO, and free from harmful chemicals. This means you can enjoy the Spinal Force benefits with peace of mind, knowing it's a safe and sustainable option. When it comes to inflammation, many remedies focus solely on joints, ignoring the bigger picture. The Spinal Force benefits work differently by also targeting the nervous system, helping to eliminate neuroinflammation that often leads to pain. Studies show that neuroinflammation can be responsible for many chronic pain cases, making it a critical target for relief. By addressing both inflammation in the joints and the nervous system, Spinal Force benefits work comprehensively to relieve pain and help you reclaim your freedom of movement. Imagine waking up each morning without dread, knowing you'll be able to move freely and enjoy your day. The Spinal Force benefits offer exactly that, helping people across the country live with reduced pain, increased flexibility, and a better quality of life. And while it may sound too good to be true, the thousands of positive testimonials speak to the real power of Spinal Force benefits. Users report going from barely being able to get out of bed to enjoying activities they thought they'd left behind, like sports, hobbies, and family outings. Another compelling aspect of Spinal Force benefits is its simplicity and accessibility. You only need to take one capsule a day, and from there, the natural ingredients start working to reduce neuroinflammation, soothe pain, and restore your mobility. Unlike many treatments that require costly visits, special equipment, or invasive procedures, the Spinal Force benefits are available right from your home, giving you control over your health journey without the stress of additional medical bills. The Spinal Force benefits go beyond physical relief, transforming the entire pain management experience into one that's uplifting and empowering. Many people have shared how the Spinal Force benefits have allowed them to participate in life again, spending quality time with loved ones, traveling, or simply feeling like themselves. For those who have been battling chronic pain, Spinal Force benefits offer hope, relief, and a brighter future. If you're ready to experience the Spinal Force benefits, you're in good company. Tens of thousands of people have already tried this supplement, and have shared glowing reviews. It's a solution that doesn't rely on masking symptoms, but on addressing the underlying cause, offering a path to real, lasting relief. When it comes to reclaiming your health and freedom, the Spinal Force benefits might just be the key you've been looking for. Make the choice to transform your life, reduce pain, and enjoy true wellness with Spinal Force.